How to use symbol details check? Symbol details check allows us to identify and compare multiple parameters associated with a symbol. We can compare a parameter with a value or a different parameter. To begin, select the symbol details from the list of triggers. When we click on Edit, we see there are two types of check types: symbol details with metric and symbol details with value. For example, we select symbol details with value and choose Reliance as the symbol. Now we want to check if the total volume of Reliance is greater than 1 crore. The symbol details check trigger will activate only if the Reliance volume traded is greater than 1 crore. Similarly, symbol details with metrics allows us to compare the parameter associated with the symbol to a different parameter. In this case, we compare the day high to LTP. This trigger will activate only when the day high is equal to the last traded price. We can use symbol details with conditions. In this example, we take an OR condition and create two different symbol checks. This ensures that Nifty 50 LTP is greater than 25,000, or Nifty 50 high price is equal to last traded price. This trigger will happen only if either of the conditions is true. This is how a symbol details check trigger works. Let's recap. Symbol details check is a trigger used to create automations based on parameters related to a selected symbol. It supports two types of checks: symbol details with value, where a symbol parameter is compared against a fixed value, for example, volume greater than 1 crore, and symbol details with metric, where one parameter is compared with another, for example, day high equal to LTP. Multiple symbol checks can be combined using conditions like OR, allowing the trigger to activate when any one of the defined symbol conditions is satisfied. Got questions on symbol details check? Comment below or ask us in the FYERS community. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.